Dear friends, now let us summarize the chapter constructions of 10th maths. What are the things that you are required to know in this chapter? So basically in this constructions, here you are required to know, there are only 3 constructions that you are required to know here. In the first one we have the division of line segment in a given ratio, and the second construction that is required to be known here is construction of a triangle similar to the given triangle. Then another one, third one that you are required to know the construction is construction of a tangent to a circle from a point outside it. So these are all the these 3 constructions that you are required to know in this chapter. And so first let us look at division of line segment in a given ratio, how to do it. So what will be given here? So we are given a line segment AB and you are asked to divide this in the ratio m:n. So in this example, let us go through the steps involved, and let us take m equal to 3 and n equal to 2. So we are required to divide this line AB in the ratio m:n, where m is equal to 3 and n equal to 2. How to do this? How to divide this line segment AB in the ratio m:n? What are the steps involved? So to do this, first step is draw a ray AX. So from point A, draw an acute angle x at an acute angle x. So that is AX, which forms the acute angle with AB. Then after that, on this AX, so on this AX we are required to draw the x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 at equidistant. So why x5, why only 5? So here, you know, the given ratio is m equal to 3 and n equal to 2, that is 3:2. So the sum of it is 5. M plus n is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So that's why we are required to divide this line AX, which is at an acute angle with AB, with 5 points on this. So to do this, what you should do is using compass. So draw with the some distance, maybe 1 centimeter. So have an arc on this at x1, and similarly using the same measurement, draw x2 from x1, and similarly from x2 draw x3, like similarly x3, x4 and x4 to x5. So total 5 points are 5 points are identified on line AX, which are at equidistance, such that AX1 equal to, so this distance AX1 is equal to x1 x2, and that is equal to x2 x3, and that is also equal to x3 x4 and x4 x5. So once this division is done, then we need to join B and x5. B x5 is drawn, this line is drawn. So now the next step is we need to at x3. Why x3? Because we need to divide 3:2. So m is 3 and n is 2. So hence at x3 we need to draw a parallel to the bx5 here. So how to draw this line from x3 to C? How to draw this line parallel to bx5? So it is a simple one. Again, with the compass, draw an arc here. At x5 you draw an arc of some length, then measure with the compass from the on the where it touches the AX with the bx5. So this arc length you measure, and with the same arc length on this before that at x3 the same arc is also drawn, whatever arc that is drawn at x5. Then with this arc length, again at this point also you cut this arc. So now you join this, passing through this arc, cut of the arc. So you draw a line. So that is x3C is drawn, and now this is parallel to bx5. Once that is drawn, now we can see here the ratio AC is to CB is in the ratio 3:2. So this is the step involved in division of a line segment in a given ratio. So I hope you followed the steps here. Then next one is construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. So now we are given a triangle ABC. So this A, B, C is given to us, and now we are required to draw another triangle which is similar to it, that is B A dash C dash, and we are given a scale factor. What is that scale factor? 3:4. So suppose this is B A dash is 3, then B A is 4. Then similarly, if B C dash is 3, then B C is and the 4. So this ratio we need to divide this. We need to have another triangle B A dash C dash from given triangle is ABC. And then how to do it? So here the steps involved. In the first step, it is similar to the previous division of line segment in a given ratio. So here also we need to draw a line BX at an acute angle with BC. On this BX, since the ratio given is 3:4, the highest one is 4, so we need to draw arcs like this, B1, B2, B3, B4, which are of equal distance from that is B1 is equal to B1, B2, B2 then B2, B3 is equal to B3, B4. So total we are identifying 4 points. Why 4? Because the highest one in this scale factor is 4. Then once that is done, you draw a line joining B4C. Then in the next step, we need to draw B3C dash, which is parallel to B4C. That is again done similar to this. How to do this? Draw an arc here, and with this with the same arc draw at B3 also. Then you measure this arc length with the compass, and with the same arc length cut here, and now B3 passing through this arc cut, it touches BC at C dash, and this is the now ratio, that is 3:4, the scale factor we are able to identify here. And then after from C dash, we need to draw a line parallel to AC. How to do it? Again, it's the same procedure. Draw an arc here with the compass at C, with the same arc draw it at C dash also, and with the same arc length again cut here, such that this point will be able to get C dash, A dash. Now it is parallel to CA. So once that is done, so we are now having two triangles which are similar to each other in the given scale factor. So we have first given triangle ABC, and the next triangle is BA dash C dash, which is in the ratio 3:4. The two sides are cut in the ratio 3:4. So this is how we are able to get a second triangle which is similar to the first triangle ABC. So then next one is third construction that we are required to know in this chapter is construction of tangent to a given circle from point outside it. So I have a circle here with center O here, and I have a given point outside this circle. You know that if P is outside the circle, then we are having two tangents. So here PQ and PR are required to be drawn from this. How to do this? How to draw the tangent PQ and PR? The procedure is simple. We are given this circle and then point P. Now join this point P to the center of the circle, that is PO. Once that is done, you bisect this line PO. How to do it? Again with the compass, with the measurement of more than half of this, draw an arc at the top and bottom. Similarly, move the compass to O and again cut this arc drawn from P at this point with the same measurement at the top and bottom. Now join this arcs, cut arcs like this, passing through PO at M. Now this is the midpoint of PO. Now at M, take a compass and with the measurement of PM, so that is the radius. Now draw another circle here. The circle is drawn here. So this circle touches the given circle at Q and R. Now at Q and R, you again PQ and PR are joined, and these two are nothing but now two tangents drawn from point P. PQ and PR are the required tangents to the given circle. So this is the procedure here in the construction of a tangent to a circle from a point outside it. So in this chapter you are required to know these three different constructions. I hope you understood the procedure. So this will definitely help you in understanding this chapter. Thank you. So please subscribe, encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.